Hi guys, Ben's mom here. Is your little one refusing to eat veggies or eggs or basically anything other than pasta? So despite our daily food battles with my almost 2-year-old, I came up with some easy go-to meals that Ben actually enjoys. So keep watching to learn how you can better feed your picky toddlers. If your child is flat out saying no to veggies, try our toddler-approved cauliflower recipe. It has a neutral color with just a bit of flavor and so easy to make. Start by heating a tablespoon of oil. I like to use avocado oil for the high smoke point. Next, carefully add the florets that have been washed and dried. And the key here is to have dry florets so you are sauteing and not steaming the veggies for better flavor. Saute on high heat for a minute. Turn the heat to medium and add about 1/4 cup of water. Cover to steam for 3 to 5 minutes to soften the cauliflower so your little one can actually chew the florets. So this is where I like to add some flavor, using about 1 teaspoon of light sodium soy sauce. Mix it in well so that all liquids are absorbed, making it extra delicious. Now you can replace soy sauce with a light sprinkle of salt and water if you wish. So far, my little one has been loving this cauliflower dish. We've even tried using purple cauliflower, which he will happily eat without a tantrum. So I consider this recipe a success. I like to serve the cauliflower as a side dish and pair it with turkey fried rice, which is another easy toddler-approved recipe that adds lean protein and carbs for a deliciously complete meal. So super simple ingredients here: ground turkey, onions, garlic, frozen peas, and rice egg mix. To make the egg rice mix, just add a pasture-raised egg to a bowl of cooked rice. So the rice can be either freshly made or leftover works really well here too. Sprinkle about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, more or less depending on how much rice you have, but be sure to mix well and then just set aside. To cook the turkey, start by heating some oil in a non-stick pan. So here I'm actually mixing avocado and coconut oil just to add some healthy fats to my toddler's diet. The flavor of this dish really comes from caramelizing the onions for about 5 minutes or so. And I try to leave it alone just to let it brown, and then add chopped garlic, brown the meat. So I'm using ground turkey here, but pork or even ground beef are great substitutes. I like to add about 1/4 cup of water so the turkey meat is moist and tender, but just be sure to break up big chunks of meat for even cooking. This is a good time to add the frozen peas. And don't worry if it's not defrosted, the extra liquid actually gets absorbed. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and cook on low-medium heat to soften the peas. After about a minute or so, I would turn the heat up to medium and then add the egg rice mixture. Mix everything well for about 3 to 4 minutes so the egg is fully cooked and all the flavors blend together with no remaining liquid. And voila! I love this easy one-pot meal for adding meat and eggs to my toddler's diet. Another great side to serve with this dish is broccoli, which I know can be challenging for most toddlers, so I have a 3-ingredient recipe that's quick and flavorful. Start by sauteing washed and dried broccoli in a well-oiled pan on medium-high heat. Once the broccoli turns a darker green color, add 1/4 cup of water, mix well, and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Immediately stir so it doesn't burn. And lastly, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Don't worry, the broccoli doesn't actually taste sweet. It just really blends well with the soy sauce, which makes broccoli that much more enjoyable to eat. And sometimes it's not about the food at all. Try a change of scenery, like going outside on a stroller, can really help take the pressure off of eating in general. If you would like to see more toddler meal ideas, hit subscribe below and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching.